everybody, we are from very wet Bangkok in Thailand with my auntie from Australia and Prussia and Poland, and my uncle here. So we just arrived to Bangkok. You may be surprised, but yeah, we're gonna stay in the Bangkok for a week. Let's go. We're going for a dinner somewhere nearby on Soi 11 because it's rainy, obviously, still wet season in Thailand. But it's good to be back actually, back to Bangkok. Mixed feelings actually, but it's good to be back, at least for a few days. I will showing you around Thailand because I promised to my uncle and auntie already back into February as we're gonna visit together Thailand. I supposed to be at that time, but plans change. I'm in Bangkok again. Just checked into the hotel and I'm gonna tell you guys it's rain, but it's Bangkok and still rainy season somehow. So yeah, going to 7-Eleven. Well, actually Bangkok during the rain is very enjoyable. It's just simply little bit difficult to moving around, especially walking is difficult and everything is more difficult. However, it's very enjoyable in general when it's rain. I like when it's raining in Bangkok for some reason. It gives you a little bit different atmosphere, and this is legendary Soi 11 Street, just after the sunset around 6:30. 7 p.m. Cool, going to 7-Eleven obviously. Either way, this is the Soi 11 and Bangkok, baby. Basically after rain around 7 p.m. still early. I was working previously during the rain to 7-Eleven there, so you may have a look, but we're looking for something for dinner, maybe having some drink. So easy, very easy going today video, first day in Bangkok. But I've been here last time in March 2023. This year now I'm here again, but I believe this is one of the last times I'm in Bangkok. But definitely will show you something new, actually some new bars on Soi 11. Auntie, what do you think about the Bangkok? You like it?
Yeah!
You've been before, right? Hey, tell to the people what did you find out, as you actually, your grandfather was born in Posen in Prussia, which is Poznan in Poland, right?
Great-great-grandfather born in Posen, which is now Poznan.
So you actually have Polish blood.
Polish auntie.
Polish auntie. Seriously, like I said. Okay, let's get wild in the Bangkok then. Whoa. A lot of Indian stuff here. Okay. Let's go, let's have a look what's going on. Thank you, brother. Thank you. Berlin meets Bangkok's currywurst. Is that German sausage here?
German sausage.
Okay, let's go. I used to stay once here in the Loft by Marriott in this hotel. When the very first night in my life in Bangkok, I used to stay in this hotel. I'm always actually coming back to Soi 11. In my opinion, this is like the most, the best place for the first time visitors, or in general if you wanna do everything very easy, convenient. Not too busy because it was rainy, but the tuk-tuks are here, so welcome to Bangkok. A lot of new bars actually. It's definitely more alive and more interesting than I was here last time, like Jamaican restaurant and something. Some new establishments. It's a little bit feels like more businesses back to how it's supposed to be actually before, I guess. So yeah, but just rainy seems a little bit quiet, but it's 7 p.m. for Bangkok. Is just too early yet. Something new here next to the Mercure Hotel on Soi 11 is the El Guajo, something Argentinian steakhouse. Something new, and some Thai food here, and Jamaican and Johnny, a lot of stuff. We'll go have some lunch and then I will show you a little bit at night, but still people coming, obviously. This is Bangkok. Technically, why exploring around here on Soi 11 again after over half year after I was living here with Winny for 2 months, have a mixed feelings. I'm not gonna lie to you, a little bit mixed feelings. I think it's one of my very last time in Bangkok and in Thailand for the longer while. But due to, as I promised my auntie, especially as I will be in Thailand, or I will come with her to Thailand in case if something changes, here we go again. I'm in Bangkok. Second time in this year, third time within 12 months, because I was first time in Bangkok also at this time somehow. So I will show you around, but this is it actually. It's good to be back. So our food arrived. I got a pork schnitzel, but they actually two of them. I thought only one, but they are two. Auntie have a chicken cordon bleu. What is it?
Potato salad.
Cool, cool. Look at what Uncle have it. Look at what Uncle have it. Uncle have it there. Big pork knuckle. I mean, I have to go from other side to make it better shot of this one. So cool. Enjoy, Uncle. Enjoy your time rest. And that's the place inside. As you can see, quite a lot of people enjoying their time. More and more. It's already 7 and very nice looking place in general. But this is mostly expats from Bangkok chilling here. And how is the outside? No rain. So happy days. Actually, my bad. It is rain. It's a little bit rain. Loud tuk-tuk. Yeah. There is no loud bikes in Bangkok, but there are loud tuk-tuks instead. Lindy is excited about the... I mean, there's a lot of things. It's funny actually. Lindy is excited about the... Auntie, you are excited about the stairways to heaven? Yeah, they create so many the stairways to heaven stuff here. Basically, that's the vibes. And also... Well, this is Bangkok. It's like specific, sort of specific place. And this is the food truck, but with food, not with the weed anymore. I don't know what's happening with the food trucks with weed actually. But after that, that's the vibe. But one thing what I noticed for sure, there's a lot of new restaurants everywhere, like Lychee everywhere. This is Indian restaurant perhaps. And those bars here were actually, but they also change it more and more. A lot of Western stuff here on Soy 11, obviously. So that's the vibe. Of course, this street is going very wild after 10, but I will stay here on this street for 7 days. So basically, I will definitely have the opportunity to show you. But like, for example, this one you can see already. It's going slowly. So that's the vibes. And also more later, the more bigger traffic is also here. This is Hilary's 13 and traffic. On the corner of Soy 11 there is 7-Eleven. I was walking, was nobody here, but already 7:30 is big traffic. So that's the vibe, and this is technically what you may expect if you come to Bangkok. No matter of the weather conditions, well, the show must go on. That's what I'm gonna tell you. I will get to the hotel, which is Solitaire here in the corner, and I'm gonna show you at the end of the video a little bit of the room. Where we stay. It's always good to have some recommendation for the accommodation. Loud tuk-tuks. Uncle, we have to try that loud tuk-tuk one day.
Yes, we will.
What? Huh? The food stall on the car? Yeah, there is many stuff. So Solitaire, this is the hotel where we stay. We have to cross the street right now. And I used to stay in the travel lodge here also. Used to stay many places actually on Soy 11. But this is the vibe. Pretty busy. Okay, let's have to cross the street. I actually want to show you this food truck with the vegetable. Actually, car with vegetable. Solitaire. That's the name of the hotel. This little temple like this one, and that's the lobby. So it's walking distance to everywhere. All right, that's my room for next 7 days. Just check in. Thanks to Auntie and Uncle. Thank you so much. And that's the room basically, like this one, some decorations. The corner one, they looks. However, it's rainy. When we just arrived, it's so much rain. That's the view from the one. It's on the 2nd floor. But on the other side, at least I have a view of the swimming pool and some other skyscrapers. That's the Bangkok. It's not the Phuket or something, so a little bit different vibe. But overall, this is how does it look like. It's Solitaire on Soy 11 in Bangkok. So guys, basically this is it. I'm gonna be in Bangkok from Tuesday to Tuesday, so the full week, 7 days. We're gonna explore a little bit. Mostly I just here to accompany my uncle and auntie, because that's most likely our last trip together anywhere. Last year we were in Singapore, by the way, so it's also, if you don't know that, you didn't watch it, it's highly recommended to watch it 5 days from Singapore when we were together. And that's a good fun in general. They are funny people. A lot of funny things happening around. That's the room, that's the situation on the street. I will take a rest and I will see you tomorrow next video. See ya.